Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray has demanded the immediate disqualification of the six-party MPs who recently defected to the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena. Addressing a rally in Maharashtra's Parbhani, Thackeray said the Lok Sabha Speaker must uphold the rule of law while deciding on the disqualification petitions against the rebel lawmakers. Thackeray said, if there is a rule of law in this country, these six MPs should be disqualified. I still believe in the Lok Sabha Speaker because if he does not follow the law, he cannot ask others to follow it. He said party MPs had already submitted a formal representation to Speaker Om Birla and urged him to act in accordance with the law. Thackeray's party, Shiv Sena UBT, has been plagued by internal crisis after six MPs switched camp and joined the ruling Shiv Sena last week. The party had won 9 seats in Maharashtra in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Thackeray alleged that the defections were part of a larger political conspiracy, which he called Operation Devendra. He claimed the BJP's central leadership was trying to sideline Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, just as it had done with other state leaders in the past. Thackeray further sharpened his attack on the BJP over allegations of irregularities in donations linked to the Ayodhya Ram Temple. Calling the BJP the Babar Janata Party, he accused it of exploiting the temple for political gain.
कारण यांनी गद्दारी जी केलेली आहे, गद्दारी तुमच्या आमच्याशी केलीच. गद्दारी स्वतःच्या आईबरोबर केले, गद्दारी शिवसेनेबरोबर केले, गद्दारी तुमच्याबरोबर केले. आणि एवढंच नव्हे तर जो उल्लेख आता संजय राऊत यांनी केला, राम मंदिराच्या दानपेटीतले पैसे चोरले जात आहेत, चांदीच्या विटा चोरल्या गेल्या आहेत. शिवसेनेने देणगी दिली होती, तिचं काय झालं माहिती नाही. चांदीच्या विटा दिल्या होत्या, त्याचं काय झालं माहिती नाही. शिलापूजन स्वतः शिवसेना प्रमुख गावोगावी फिरले होते, यवतमाळमध्ये सुद्धा आले होते. तिकडे सगळीकडे पूर्ण महाराष्ट्र शिवसेना प्रमुखांनी पिंजून काढला होता. राम मंदिर वही बनाएंगे, काय एक वातावरण झालं होतं. आणि तमाम हिंदूंना यांनी सगळ्यांनी साथ घातली होती. हिंदूंच्या भावनेशी गद्दारी करणारे भारतीय जनता पक्ष आहे.
Thackeray is currently touring the constituencies represented by the rebel MPs as the political battle over the Shiv Sena's future continues in Maharashtra.